all are fine. Today we are going to do something very exciting yet very easy. So we are going to make a hand fan to keep you cool in these summer days. Let me show you. Look, this is what we are going to make. So it's very simple yet easy. For this we will be needing some popsicles, few color papers, glue sticks, or either you can use a glue gun, a string, scissors, fine. So we are going to start. So first of all we will be needing a red paper, a square shaped paper, fine. So we will be needing two same color pages. One I have already made it for you and the second I'll be making in front of you, fine. So we'll be needing these strips, these cuttings, fine. So I've done it previously for you, fine. So I'm going to show you how are we going to paste these, because we are going to make a watermelon hand fan. So first we are going to glue this and we are going to paste it on the both edges. Be careful while pasting, fine. Should be edge to edge. On either side, first we are going to paste the green one, it should be edge to edge, fine. Next, take the pink one, now we are going to stick this one right before the green one. Now the other side. We are done. Now take a marker and we are going to make the seeds of the melon on either side, fine. Done. Now we are going to make a fan, inwards and outward foldings. So let's start from here. The easy way to make the flaps: fold, one fold, the second fold, fine. Now we are going to unfold, repeating the same procedure, fine. Outward, inward, outward, inward. Look, we are done now, fine. Now I had made this earlier, I told you earlier. So we are going to combine these two, fine. Like this. Now we're gonna tie it off with a string. Fine. So I'm gonna tie it off with a string like this. cut it off. You will get this kind of shape after tying it off with string. Now we are going to join the ends. Look, like this. Stick it off. Now this end. Like this. Now this end. You will get a shape like this. So the next step is we are going to take the popsicles and we are going to paste on both the sides of the fan. Press a little harder. Yes. Now, here we go. Wow. We have got this now. To secure the ends, we are going to keep it on it. And kids, here is your easy peasy yet amazing hand fan. Do try this and let me know. Thanks for watching.